Okay, we're back at the Portofino. This will be a short video just to show you the starboard engine running now that I put a new starter solenoid in it. But one thing I did forget to mention is that it does have the freshwater closed cooling system in both engines, and the props were recently four-bladed, recently reconditioned. So okay, let's start this puppy up. Smooth that runs, and it just pops right off as soon as you turn the key. Okay. The other thing is that both engines do have the fuel-water separators. Well, you know what? While we're here, just go ahead and fire up the other engine. Hold on. Get on the other side. Okay, go. Fire the other one up so we hear both of them running. Okay, there you have it.